5-axis 3D printing sounds like something that may happen in an aerospace lab, but what happens when makers get their hands on it? I'm Brian DeLuca, and this is MakerBuildIt, where we turn projects into ideas. Today, we're looking at 5-axis 3D printing. This 3D printer can rotate the print bed, rotate the print head, and print things that normally require a lot of supports without any supports whatsoever. And they can make smoother surface finishes, more complex internal geometry, and TPU parts that almost look like they're impossible to 3D print with any other type of printer. Now let's take a look at how Unlayered 3D is handling 5-axis 3D printing. I'm Brian DeLuca, and I am here at Rapid TCT with Philip from Unlayered 3D. Correct? Unlayered 3D.
Yep, Unlayered 3D.
So we were walking by and we saw they have a 5-axis 3D printer. And can you tell us a little bit more about this?
Yes, so we have a 5-axis 3D printer. The key difference in our 3D printer is you can rotate the bed and the head, and you can translate in all 3-axis dimensions. We have taken inspiration on this printer from other prior open source projects, but this has been designed completely by us from the ground up. And we have also introduced this new belt design, which we have not seen for the bed assembly on any other printers. The coolest part is we've built our slicer based on the Orca slicer stack as a fork called Unlayered slicer, which we plan to open source very soon.
So what's the benefit of having 5 axes?
Yeah, so the benefits of 5 axes, this part right here was printed like that, no supports, and you can probably see these surface finishes. You don't see like the banding on traditional 3-axis parts. Other benefits are internal geometries. This matters a lot to a lot of people in 3D printing. This part here is intake manifold. If you're 3D printing it with 3 axes, you would need to get like a wire or something to clean out those supports. Other benefits, TPU supports are not very good. This is a 5-axis TPU part that's currently being ran on a robot.
With no supports?
No supports, yeah. No supports, better surface finishes, and complex parts that you couldn't make otherwise.
So now, so what do one of these run? What do you guys selling these for?
Selling them, we're still testing out the market. We hope to take these to like mass market in the near future, but we want to make sure that this is a device that everyone can afford at some point. We think this is the future of 3D printing, that people just go to a 5-axis printer, slice it, it's even more hands-off than other solutions we've seen. The industry's been accelerating a lot the past 5 years. So that's our end goal, right?
Now you also mentioned a modified slicer. What do you guys do there?
We modified the slicer based off of Orca slicer. Right now, it requires a little bit of user input in terms of slicing parts, but we're trying to make it like fully automated, so you just click slice. But right now, you may define planes and such to create your supportless parts.
Well, Philip, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
It was a pleasure.
Yep.
5-axis 3D printing can completely change how you think about designing your 3D prints. Less supports, cleaner surfaces, and more complex geometries will cause a lot less post-processing. It still seems like 5-axis 3D printing, at least for makers, is in the experimental phase, but hopefully we'll be able to see 5-axis 3D printers soon in our workshops. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow MakerBuildIt, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and remember, sometimes the future of making is not about faster 3D printing, it's about creating better prints.